Hi everyone, my name is Nitish Chopra from Avishkaar, and today I am here to explain to you why it is important for every kid to learn robotics and IoT and how you can start making exciting robots and innovations immediately. So let me begin by asking you, what do you think our future looks like? I'm sure most of you are thinking about a few of these: flying cars, our homes or offices that work on the command of our voice, cell phones that are embedded on your hands or eyes, and finally, humanoid robots that work as our butlers. Well, you all are completely right. The best place to get inspiration for the future is to look at the science fiction movies of today. But the future is closer than you might think. These robots are already around us. Driverless cars will soon be a reality thanks to Tesla. Drone technology is widely replacing humans in the army, for photography, and agriculture. Robots have even entered medicine, allowing doctors in Switzerland to perform surgery in India. Robot assistants are now part of the everyday life, with restaurant waiting robots, domestic cleaning robots, and even in our kitchens. So, in the future, your job will not be to do the things that other robots can do better than you. Rather, what the future needs of you is to be able to invent these robots that can replace your work. To understand what you need to learn to make such robots, you have to know the four essential things about the robots of the future. 1. They will have physical capacities much better than humans, and making such machines is called robotics. 2. Humans will be able to give instructions to them to act smartly based on different situations. This is called robotic programming. 3. These robots will be able to talk to each other and to you so that with the collected data you can understand the world better and make better decisions. This is what IoT is. And finally, 4. Eventually, machines will be smart enough so that they can help you take better decisions or sometimes even take simple decisions by themselves, which is what AI is. Now that we know what our future will look like and what your role will be to make it a reality, I'm sure you all must be completely excited to learn robotics and IoT and start making awesome innovations yourself. But where to learn? Currently, the curriculum for computers and technology at most school clubs and activity clubs is focused on learning to write code in computer languages like C++ and Python. They don't teach kids about the technologies of tomorrow like robotics, IoT, and AI. This is the reason that the NEP 2020 also focuses on these skills instead of emphasis on rote learning on how to write code on C++ and Python. Making robots and IoT products has always been a complex task only meant for scientists and engineers with years and years of advanced education. That is, until now. Avishkaar brings to you robotics and IoT kits specifically designed for young innovators like you to quickly bring their futuristic ideas to life. Let me show you our awesome range of products. This is Tweak, a smart robotics toy to learn the basics of robotics and coding for kids as small as 5 years old. Small kids start playing with snap and fit blocks from an early age. It is this very tendency of kids that Tweak uses to help them make robots. It comes with modular blocks of motors and sensors that kids can snap onto each other and make hundreds of combinations of different robots and toys. Let me show you some examples of exciting robots that the kids can start making using Tweak in a matter of seconds. You can control Tweak using a mobile app. Or you can program Tweak to work on sensors and make fun games. And with custom skins, the possibilities are truly endless. If you're an older kid ready to make full-fledged robots, then worry not. Our E-Series Robotics Kit is the best solution for you. It is the most advanced programmable robotics design system in India. Your E-Series kits come with metallic parts, gear and wheels that you can use to make sophisticated mechanical constructions. You can operate your robots through a remote control or a mobile app, or even program your robots to function by itself. If you're more excited with IoT, then our Makerbot is the perfect solution to kickstart your innovation journey to making IoT products and make cool projects like a smartwatch, an air quality monitor, and many other mobile controlled IoT products. Now that we've got you all excited about building awesome robots, you can go and buy your favorite product today through Amazon, Flipkart, or our website www.avishkaar.cc. As soon as you buy a kit, you get access to a free course to quickly get you started on making exciting projects. The world is your stage still. You can keep advancing in your innovation journey through advanced courses with Avishkaar. We have a global community of more than 50,000 young innovators who use Avishkaar products to bring to life their crazy ideas and make futuristic products. And to celebrate these young innovators, we host the International Robotics and Coding Competition every year. It started in 2008 as a small Indian competition with just 40 students. But today, it has grown to become Asia's largest robotics competition and sees massive participation from thousands of kids across the world. Avishkaar also has its presence at more than 700 schools across India, and we are rapidly growing. So what are you waiting for? Start inventing today by joining the Avishkaar community and become the innovator and problem solver of tomorrow. Thank you.